This is You Can Change Vegan.
I haven't visited Thailand yet, but I've always wanted to try one of their famous dishes. So I've been researching and testing out the recipe, and now I'm sharing it with you. Today we're making my vegan mango sticky rice. Of course we need some rice, so cook some fresh or warm up some leftover rice. The measurements for uncooked and cooked rice are in the description. Meanwhile, we'll make the sweet and salty coconut sauce. In a saucepan, add the coconut milk, sugar, salt and vanilla. Heat over medium heat, stirring until the sugar dissolves. Pour half of the mixture into the warm rice. Mix it all through the rice and then set aside. While we finish off our coconut sauce by adding water and cornflour together. Stir until smooth. Now pour into the coconut sauce while stirring, which will thicken the sauce. Keep stirring until you have a thick, creamy sauce. Now take the mango, cut down each side, and then cut in a crisscross pattern. Keep it on the chopping board, it's much safer. You can then turn the skin inside out to reveal the mango cubes. Now it's time to serve. Take a big scoop of the warm coconut rice, the mango, pour over some sauce, and finish with toasted coconut or sesame seeds. I'm using chia seeds for contrast. And now enjoy. Thanks for watching, and join all of these people by subscribing to my channel. More of my vegan recipes are linked here for you.